Get ready for one of the most thrilling showdowns in track and field history. The women's 60-meter hurdles at the 2025 Millrose Games brings together the fastest and fiercest hurdlers on the planet, including world record holder Devynne Charlton, Olympic champion Masai Russel, and rising Jamaican star Ackera Nugent. With the possibility of another world record-breaking performance on the line, this is the race everyone's talking about. Will Charlton continue her reign, or will a surprise upset leave fans speechless? Stay tuned for everything you need to know about this epic clash as we break down the competitors, predictions, and the stakes for the 118th Millrose Games. You won't want to miss this. In the famous words of multiple 100-meter medalists Puerto Rico's own Jasmine Camacho Quinn, quote, "The women's hurdlers just do not duck each other." The women in the sprint hurdles have returned for the 2025 track and field season with nothing but fire in their eyes as they begin their 2025 campaign. Last season, the North American, Central American, and Caribbean NACAC region dominated the women's 60-meter hurdles and the 100-meter hurdles. The indoor season saw Devynne Charlton of the Bahamas breaking Suzanne Calor's long-standing 60-meter hurdles world record of 7.68 seconds with her 7.67 seconds at the Millrose Games.
Fast start from Ackera Nugent of Jamaica. Devynne Charlton of the Bahamas racing away from lane 4. She had an early world lead with her new Bahamian national record 7.75.
Only 5 days later, Tia Jones of the United States equaled the record at the USA Track and Field Indoor Championship.
Tia Jones first to the first hurdle. She's in control there. Jasmine Jones there in 3, but Tia Jones going to run away with this one easily when she comes through 7.67. See where that corrects down. No, and 7.67.
What?
Hello, Devynne Charlton. You get to enjoy that for all of a day. You got company.
The track and field world was looking for Devynne Charlton versus Tia Jones matchup at the Glasgow World Indoor Championship, but Tia Jones had to pull from the meet due to injury. However, Devynne Charlton was able to win gold at the World Indoor Championship with a world record performance of 7.65 seconds. During the outdoor season, Masai Russel of the United States won gold in the 100-meter hurdles at the Paris Olympics, and Jasmine Camacho Quinn took bronze. Now, the women's hurdlers have returned to have one of their many showdowns this season at the 118th staging of the Millrose Games at the Armory. This year's field will feature Olympic 100-meter hurdles champion Masai Russel of the United States, world record holder Devynne Charlton, double world under-20 gold medalist Tia Jones of the United States, Jamaican national record holder Ackera Nugent, Paris Olympic 100-meter hurdles finalist Grace Stark of the United States, and her countrywoman 2023 US indoor champion. On average, this field is 7.73 seconds, which would be the 9th fastest time in the event. The hurdles is an unpredictable event because of how fast the competitors are within this era. On paper, by virtue of being the world record holder and the world indoor champion, Devynne Charlton enters the event with a slight edge over her competitors. Olympic champion Masai Russel may want to show that her speed outdoors can translate indoors as well, and Ackera Nugent may want to continue her consistency as the fastest woman in the 100-meter hurdles last season. With so many fast women lining up, it would not be surprising if the meeting record of 7.67 seconds is broken, or even the world record of 7.65 seconds for that matter. Who do you think will take the crown at the Millrose Games women's 60-meter hurdles? Devynne Charlton, Masai Russel, Ackera Nugent, or someone else? And do you think we'll see another world record fall in this showdown of speed and skill? Let us know your predictions in the comments below. We'd love to hear who you're rooting for and why. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the Millrose Games women's 60-meter hurdles and want to keep up with more exciting content, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more updates on the world of track and field. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. This is Caribbean Focus, bringing you closer to the action. See you in the next video.